What's up,
Hey
guys?
guys, welcome back to our channel. I can't really shout much because we're
It's
outside. I'm speaking as loud as I can. Anyway guys, so we want to watch a movie. We are out now. A date night, movie date night. Yeah, so in the movie theater, like cinema, I want to watch a movie. I'm touching my hair. So guys, ignore my hair. We just rushed out of the house so that we can catch up with the movie.
Yeah.
And afterwards, I have a surprise for him. I've been telling him since I have a surprise.
She has been telling me for like days now that she has a surprise for me. I'm really waiting. I can't wait to see my surprise. I hope it's something good.
Yeah. So
Even though she's a snitch.
no, it's actually not your Christmas gift. It's said we're not getting Christmas gift. I'm not
She said
snitch.
she's saying it's like Christmas gift, but you're getting it for me around Christmas
It's
period.
not. It's just like a surprise for me. It's not a Christmas gift. It was just coincidental. It happened now.
Okay.
So anyway, guys, after the movie,
But if the present is something big, then you're a snitch.
I'm not. Anyway, guys, so after the movie, we'll update you guys about the movie and then I'm going to give you this present. So let's go.
Hi, it's twisted.
You don't have it again, right?
I fine.
It's okay, then.
大丈夫です。さあ、ごめんなさい。あ、オッケーオッケー。確かに自分のやつ、試しにクリエイトするやつ。こちらでよろしいですか？はいはいはい。
2 hours later.
So we just finished watching this one.
I just finished this big size of
And this is mine.
It's too huge. I don't know who drinks this size.
The movie wasn't bad. It was
Give it a
nice.
5.
Why? It was cool.
I was expecting much fighting. She looked weak to me.
It was cool.
Yeah, you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did.
Guys, I cried.
You're good at crying for movies. It was
I
cool.
cried. But not for long though. Just she didn't know I cried. I'm just because I'm telling you now, that's what I think I did. As you can see behind us, guys, this is Kimetsu no Yaiba. This is one of the most famous movies, cartoons, animation you'll find in Japan. I don't know why.
It was fun. We had fun watching.
That's the main thing, though.
I enjoyed my popcorn especially.
Damn, the popcorn is so huge, and the
So
Pepsi, like the
huge.
drink is very huge. Like,
So nice. So yeah, guys, let's go home. I'm not going to give him surprise again
Because it's
tonight
late,
because
right?
it's late. So I'm going to do it tomorrow and I'll show you guys.
I will sneak around the house to look for the present, guys.
You won't
And I'll
see.
tell you.
Don't worry, you won't see.
I'll go around the house to look for it, guys.
You will see.
She didn't hear that. No,
You
sorry.
will see. Don't worry.
So anyhow,
see you
anyway,
guys tomorrow when I get the surprise ready. All right.
if you're new here, guys, please still don't forget to
Hit the subscribe button.
please subscribe.
Like and share our videos. It's so cold. Let's
It's
go.
also somewhere here. It's so cold. So for those that have not watched Wonder Woman, please go and watch Wonder Woman. We're doing adverts for them. It
Yeah,
is-
that's the movie we watched.
Yeah,
I know
watch
I
Wonder
mentioned
Woman.
it.
Yeah, watch
Wonder Woman
2. So you guys gonna watch Wonder Woman 84, 80 something. Peace out. We love you guys.
What did you pack in your pockets? It's so full. So guys, this is me. Let me do my own shenanigans. You've been doing yours.
Should we go and get when you're outside everybody's area? That's when you can do your own shenanigans.
Yeah,
Shy
shy
girl.
girl. That's not true.
Somebody's in the car here.
You guys, I don't know, I'm excited. Okay, guys, I am about to go give the biggest surprise. Like, I feel like it's going to have mixed feelings because we said we're not going to exchange presents this Christmas, and this is not really like me exchanging presents, like me knowing that there's really something he needed this year. He's been trying to get it, actually. He wants to get it next year, but I'm like, no, I'm going to be the one to get it, and I'm going to surprise him with it. So guys, let's go see how he feels about this. Like, I don't know. Do you know what? I had to just come up with this and just give it to him like really soon, because as at like 2 days ago, I already saw him online checking it out, and I don't want him to get it, and I've already gotten it. Man, that would be soup. I'll be in double trouble because there's no way I'm going to like return it and all. So let's go see what he thinks about this. I'm so excited. Imagine. I feel like I'm more excited than the person I'm about to surprise. Let's just say this is like my biggest surprise I'm going to be giving him, like, since we've been dating. This is like most expensive or like biggest. I know more is going to come by God's grace. Yeah. So let's go show him some. He's always been the one buying all the expensive stuff. But today, so let's go check it out. Let's go see his reaction. I'm not even the one getting the present. I'm excited. I want to see how he reacts to it. So let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Yup, are you ready? I thought I was going to give you something.
Oh, is it time for a surprise?
Since yesterday. Didn't I tell you?
I hope it's something good because you've been disturbing me for weeks, telling me you have surprise. I hope it's something nice.
What do you think it is?
What do I think?
Let me take off my glasses. What do you think it is?
PlayStation 5.
PlayStation 5. Are you serious? Is that what you want, really? PlayStation 5.
Just kidding. Anything is okay. Provided it's coming from anything.
You're not even saying shoe. How about the Nike shoe that you saw?
Okay, shoe. Actually, shoe is not on my mind, but yeah, if you give me shoe. Gucci. Let me show you.
You were giving shoe.
Gucci is okay. Gucci is not bad.
What's this one saying?
Chanel, Gucci.
I'm serious, Joe.
I'm serious now.
You guys, I have the present. Yeah, when do I set the camera?
Yeah,
because I wanted to catch your reaction. Although we're not doing, I already told them that we planned this year not to do Christmas stuff now.
But you slide me.
I didn't slide you. This is not Christmas.
Now.
It's not. I didn't slide you actually. This is.
Do you know when it's going to be? If you now end up getting me something that is now way expensive.
There's no way expensive.
Yeah. that means you've totally snitched me. Now my conscience will be judging. Now I'm going to 2021 with gift conscience on my mind.
What gift conscience?
Like I'm like.
No, actually, it's not Christmas present. It's not Christmas. I'm buying you this one because I've actually had it in mind. Like, since I've had it in mind that I was going to be the first person to do. I was going to be the one to get it for you. Why are you looking at the bag I'm holding? Are you ready?
Because I'm having a clue. I'm seeing the logo on it now. I'm seeing the logo. I hope it's not what it is. I hope it's not what I'm thinking of. Because if it is what I'm thinking of. Docomo can mean many things.
You can mean I bought the earpiece.
Docomo can mean Wi-Fi.
We have Wi-Fi.
So how was this?
What's what?
You got me an iPhone.
I did.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. It's actually open because.
Yeah, I know the way Japan works. They will have to register the whole thing.
They registered and then
and everything. You got. Then what?
Like I got screen guard.
Are you serious?
And case, so everything was like.
Which of the iPhone is it?
Which of the iPhone? Yeah. You're one in the park now. At least you check.
It is not here now. It's just your iPhone now. Ah, okay.
Can you see? Baby, stop.
Oh, baby, thank you.
Yeah, my ear. Jeez. Baby. Oh, God, my earring.
Sorry.
Jesus. Move it. Stop. What?
Oh yeah, I've been wanting a new phone. Like I've been waiting for this new phone. You, this girl, this snitch.
I'm like,
This snitch. So you got my phone? Yeah. Oh my god, I've stopped everything.
it doesn't
How do you put it on?
from this side. Babe, stop! Oh, Jesus, you want to suffocate somebody? You want to suffocate
No,
me?
it's not suffocate, Vivian. Suffocate. Oh, Sita, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're such a darling.
You bought mine for me last year, so.
You just it's just like baby.
No, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. Your phone, stop! Oh! Jesus. Yeah, your phone screen has been bad for a long time now, and you've just been waiting for this phone. I'll get it for you first.
Instagram is on fire.
Look at the charger.
Instagram is on fire.
I didn't even show them.
Hey, you girls.
Opened it.
Hey, you
What am I
girls.
supposed to show?
Instagram.
So guys, look at it. This one didn't come with like the full charger head like when I got mine. No. It just came with this cord.
Who cares? I'll buy another one.
And I've changed it to English. Leave me alone, Jesus! Stop! Oh.
Ouch!
See, my father has stained you.
Leave the shirt alone.
Oh my God!
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Leave me.
Ouch! I broke my leg.
Are you a baby?
I broke my leg.
So I made sure that our pouch are the same thing. Our phone cases, guys.
Thanks very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Instagram is on fire.
Me too, I'll use it to take pictures.
No. Come on, tell me.
It's a win-win.
not
I'll
win,
use it
it's
to
a
take picture. I just hope that like the picture even improve because it has the same 3 cameras mine. But let me see. What's the difference?
Don't
Let
see.
me see
Don't
now.
see.
Ah,
It's my phone now. Do you buy for yourself?
I have to check the difference now. What's the difference with the 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max?
11. You just said difference now. 12 and 11 and 12. That's the difference. You don't have to see
I
again.
didn't even say, guys, I bought him. You didn't tell them before.
Guy, it's 12 Pro Max, man. 518 gigs. Shiruba.
12 Pro Max. How many gig was mine then?
I got you same.
506
or 508 or something like that.
Now we need wristwatch. We're now tuning with iPhones.
So we need wristwatch. Don't
Yes.
worry, maybe that'll be
So
my
we find out.
that'll be my next surprise. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, D. So I didn't snitch you.
You snitched me.
I didn't snitch you.
Snitched
I
me.
didn't.
You snitched, but don't worry. I'll take it. I'll take it under my grasp. That it happens.
I didn't snitch.
And when I'll be doing my own next year, brace yourself for the impact. She just made 2020 a total package, guys. She just actually made my 2020 a total package.
But you're saying PS5, so you prefer PS5.
Actually,
You
my
don't
phone,
have a good phone.
I know my
Your
phone has been
screen
bad.
broke since.
it doesn't
and
matter. PS5 is still like.
You've been using one dead phone in the house. I don't even know why you're not into phones. Like,
That's the problem. I'm not really into gadget. No, I'm into gadget, but I'm not just really into too much personal stuff.
I saw you looking at this stuff already online like 2 days ago.
Yes,
The
no.
phone now. I was like, oh, this one doesn't know his phone is at home already. You're like, babe, I need to get this January.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Your mouth. Okay, let's end the video. Okay, guys, that's my surprise for him. What? Guys, that is the surprise. It's not a Christmas surprise. It's not a whatever surprise. It's just a phone surprise. People, let's end the video now. You don't want to cry. Stop. Don't worry.
Okay,
We'll
guys.
still give each other bigger things.
But now I'm feeling bad I didn't get you something.
Don't worry, dear. It's okay.
I'm going to buy you a car.
I didn't have a driver's license. Okay, guys, thank you for watching today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed everything, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Thank you.
It's okay.